The Abrolhos Islands are home to a diverse and unique range of marine species. This makes the area a popular fishing destination, especially for extended boat trips. As part of the recovery of West Coast demersal scalefish stocks, a daily bag limit of 1 demersal fish was introduced for the Fisheries Habitat Protection Area at the Abrolhos Islands from the 1st of February 2023. In addition, a boat limit of 4 demersal scalefish was also introduced for the West Coast region, which includes the Abrolhos. This means if you are staying out on your boat at the Abrolhos over multiple days, no more than 4 demersal fish can be on board at any time. Let's set the scene. 3 people go to the Abrolhos Islands to fish for a long weekend. On day 1, everyone catches a prize demersal. They fillet the fish with the skin on, and there are 6 fillets on the boat. On day 2, one lucky fisher catches 1 more demersal. There are now 4 demersals on board, and the boat limit has been reached. No more demersals can be taken, although if they have one for lunch, another can be taken to replace that fish. At no point can there be any more than 4 demersals or 8 demersal fillets on board. It's time to switch your fish. You can still go fishing for other species, such as pelagics or rock lobster. All the details you need to know are in our Wreck Fishing Guide. And remember, if you're going to the Abrolhos, DPIRD must be notified before boats can enter the protection area. The form and more information about fishing at the Abrolhos can be found on fish.wa.gov.au.